kumnu PE ya kalawe jong seng Congress hakani ke jela ke jung
piong nilale bah hakajo ka por piong kadau di bapala te kanu ko basisha ki pai ba tilado jingshania yangi kita ki politician.
The instant cases are completely to be part of the government, the desperation to be in power.
kublai palok Ibang sebai pi syagani one-on-one interview ke jong ni bat mentasi dan bat iba Ronnie V Lingdo iba baro na teng jong pi tip be ide tang ma i mentai barang sa ha seng Congress ide MLA jong ke seng nang te na pok milim constituency tingnya keren bat halor ke ni ke jing ja ha ke san hima sima ha ke jela ke jong ni de ke jing mi no jong ki laingut ki dekhot ki barem jong ke parti ba Ronnie pi kum noi ke ni ke jing long jing man jong ke san hima sima ha ke jela ke jong mentai
pi ngathai ka wei ka jing hakani ka parliamentary democracy changi kolong ba ngathai ni don come ban relook and then namar ba teng the pidon opposition ban pun urlong ya ki jing ang not ki jing thrang jong pa ba ka khamsta bahaba ki minister lane ka no ko party ka thau sarkar bat ki shim ka smai kishim ban syakri klam le siliang yeno tendai dakila idon pat hakabor kiem buram ya kato smai ne ka ot ka bakila shim to le se ka de ka ne ka bapalong ni ki parlok joni kitu ki laingot ki MLA baki smokia ba haka term jong ki yo kimla aban honda kroi ka par hapo ka konsersi joki kata kadai ka ba naso mga te makiyo kidan na koi ka chisno te ngtim
te ba ding ya pe ya ni ga jinglong jingman jong ha ka seng Congress mo ngi te ba shwa ka election ru kila dan gi ba la mi no ban lech ka TMC dan mentangi i gi bil kila merch penya so ila di ba ke NPP kani ka jing mi ka ri jong ki MLA jong ka seng Congress hatu ka da ko na ka da jong president na magbur ki kno ai ka tahi
le si kim idon kalanti ba ka sing congress kan dan ha kabor mar pin pe kini gisnem mala deplate hadola ong ba hapo national level hapo ka state level le si ka sing congress kam la ban khiklisho kiladon ki nong yalam jo ki sing hado ba kilong ba congress menta kiladon hapo ICU tengah try ka ta ka penlong ya kito ban mi no da ka perkhat da ka bi kimi kin le check wi ki party le se kila man don ka bor bat menteri kambha nam taki nam taka constituency nam taka jila
tingi ni pe pada Henry ha ka parliamentary elections ke badang shudep ngi ba ko congress ke le bha andai ti nama dalada ka le bha hang te po parliament ti kadon ka chance ru ba kadau sha state jongi ru kala ban longum tamo ti kila don ru kini gi jingi khana ham sayang ni hang te ba kila don gi katu kat ni ngot ki de ki nong yalam jong ka seng barem ki ba mu ba ban phai biang shaka party Henry lada ima Vincent in mi no na in here shakino ku president
piong nila lebha ka congress kala nang kio nila job katura sit hakajo ka por piong kadau di ba pala ti kanu ko basisha lada ngila ban job ka tura sit bangidon tangwi wemeli ka kaburam ka credit kamlet si mapala dan rai ya kani ka jingja pat isya kanolon mai tengah runga syem jinge ban suto kan dai tengah small ngatrai kata kam dai kadau le mongong ye phi ba pinapait menta ndai tang kinong yalam brim what kila don ki brio from all walks of life menta kibala kontak yangi ba kila don ke jing tumu ban panesno sing congress
te bang ye kren ya gani ka jingya lenti ke jong phi ha gani ka kam sani masima ni te ba shajit na ka sing congress but hadu menta mene pidi tang ma phi menta barang sap ka party tiki e jing tumu jong phi nang ni shkman
phi iban ma menta pinapet bah ki pai ba kila do jing shania yangi kita ki politician lani kita ki nong yalam ba secara kadang bale kamdai ka daw pai ba ka di ka daw jungi tengah ngakwa ban ai nuksa bahoi nan kerpat iki pai ba nyene tre kat bala tehendrai teng hap snutho ya kata ka bangi ong ka limit ne kano ka lat ka bangila banira bi hendrai na ong ye phi bangin ai ka jing sakri ka ba khoj ka ba suba ba manta lada ka megla ka roy ka meliam ro kan roy lada ka meliam ka roy ka roy tang ka meliam ka megla ka ma man roy de manta ngi kwa ban ai ka nuksa
ngitep ba Rahul Gandhi hi u kwa ban khot yagi khun samla banta ban rung shakani ka chili ban shakri yo pai ba ndai ti kata ga jing thu jong Rahul Gandhi to bring in new people, new faces of the Congress. So Congress kala persyang hi bandai kata hagani ki election ka balik mo. Tinang ni syakmat lada ki don kini ki nong yalam ki jong parti berem ki bakwa ban wan rung biang syak seng hatu pin aila dia kine pin aila dia kita ki samla yu thamai.
Habak ki rung syak seng ni pedian. Kamut habak pirung syak seng piwan bak condition ba pin habai tiket yang ban le MP banai tiket yang ban le MLA nai. Ndai pila ban join ke parti ban no senyang ke parti klem dalong utau nong mikmat ru
Ti mentangi daya keren ni keren phang gamba gri mo baipol ngite ko kongres ke NPP ke lapan mi kertong dei ti ke kongres pede kahang kanu nanti ganya
nin permi kerta
lanu thrivin announce kertong
ni shen ngin announce no nomor ba pi mangi ngidi ke national party ngila ada identify ya ki kertong mentangin pa support ki ICC bagan approve
kumnu phi ya kalawe jong seng congress hakani ga jala gajun
pi sape kini ki election banwan ki pai ba ki sa biang ke jingshania ke jingkershan seng congress nomor ki pai ba am ta kilas ngotu umdei tang po jala jing kelengkari india kila ibadi tangani ke seng kala ban ai ke jingshakri ke bobiang ke bala ban pedlut ya barakhat klem na penia pher ha ke jinget ha ke tin kthlit ha ka ma ka jingye pher ja kan reu kamut nginget ke mong tin parent inclusivity de pin page manta ki beruspa nang ruspa kelen kare india jela jumi baduk nang duk te kum kita kin ke manta nia keren nia tai po assembly ne po parliament lada kam mento yu tu pai ba ante pemadan kam da juma
tika tu pilai sngow ya ki jingkren jong iba Ronnie but ngin pet sngow ru EP ga jingkren jong menturang ba barem ke jelau Dr. Mukul sangma ke ai bulan bandar men ong halor kan ka benta.
As far as I'm aware, that this effort has been on. It is not the first time post 2023 election. You have seen how they were desperate to engage in the so-called poaching in 2018. You have seen the case of the honorable elected member, the then honorable elected member from Ronnie, how he fell prey into the whole poaching endeavor, which itself is unethical and does not augur well for the state. Then you have seen the similar thing post 2023 election, merger of PDF with NPP. What is the reason? Is there any justification? Is there any political situation which resulted into making the members of that political party to march? It is all nothing but the whole again it revolves around the issue of poaching of the elected representatives in the August House. So it also reflects their desperation to remain in power. I have full trust and confidence on my members. I think we have demonstrated that earlier also in the past. You see, you have to understand another angle. Now, well, with no intent to offend anybody, but it is also important for every party to ensure that their members stay, as committed members of the party with a collective resolve to fulfill the vested responsibilities. Now, unfortunately, what has happened, probably, it can be attributed to the party itself also. There must have been some Cold War going on for a reasonable period of time, resulting in this showdown. It is not my job to ask the Congress leadership, but I have every reason to believe, because I know all of them. They were part and parcel of my party when I was in the Grand Old Party prior to merging with TMC. The instant cases are completely to be part of the government. the desperation to be in power. Now, I don't find any reason why MLAs should be so desperate to be part of the ruling dispensation unless there are some instances of inducement. Now, you have to pick up one very crucial, important part of the statement of the Congress President, Pradesh Congress President. He has been blunt in saying that the party in the current ruling dispensation have engaged in poaching through inducement by using whatever money they have been alleged of. So now the leadership of the present political dispensation in power must come clean on this. They cannot just keep quiet. They cannot just shy away. It's a very, very serious allegation, because if the allegations are true, then you can understand what kind of future we are going to see unfolding in the coming years.
Di parlo ka tu players ngo ya ka jingkren jing iba Ronnie vi lingdo ba Dr. Mukul sangma halor ka ni ka jinglong jingman jong ka sensha ka khadar ba ka san hima sima ka jala ka jongi ba nang ni shakmat ngin yai khmi ba ngin yai pengor halor ka jinglong ani kumnu kan long ka ta ka sensha ka khadar ti tat hadu ka we ba ka por ngadi iban gintiu mauri nagabantang u forefront media.